keyboard replacement, and deep cleaning on Acer Nitro 5 and 515 gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Chad, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional repair shop for keyboard replacement and deep cleaning is a smart decision that ensures expert handling, long-term reliability, and overall device health. Modern laptops are designed with intricate internal structures where keyboards are often integrated into the chassis, making replacement a delicate task that requires technical skill and precision without proper expertise. DIY attempts can lead to damage, such as torn ribbon cables, broken connectors, or even motherboard issues, which may result in costly repairs or device failure. In addition to a precise keyboard replacement, professional deep cleaning plays a crucial role in maintaining a laptop's performance and longevity. Dust, debris, and grime naturally accumulate inside the device over time, especially around cooling fans, heat sinks, and vents, leading to overheating and reduced efficiency. Unlike simple surface cleaning, a professional deep cleaning service involves carefully dismantling the laptop, thoroughly removing kernel dust build of and restoring proper airflow to prevent thermal issues. By choosing professional servicing, you not only get a high-quality keyboard replacement, but also benefit from a comprehensive inspection that can detect potential issues before they become major problems. Technicians can identify signs of wear, loose connections, or other hidden faults that could impact your laptop's functionality. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Keyboard replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your keyboard replacement and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.